Windows 11 provides users with numerous keyboard shortcuts that can greatly enhance productivity and streamline navigation. These shortcuts serve various purposes, such as quickly accessing common functions or managing windows efficiently. For instance, pressing Win+D allows users to instantly show or hide the desktop, while Win+E opens up File Explorer for easy file management. Additionally, the Win+L shortcut swiftly locks the PC, ensuring security and privacy. Users can also take advantage of window management shortcuts like Win+Up/down arrow to maximize or minimize windows with ease. Furthermore, virtual desktop shortcuts such as Win+Control+D enable users to create new virtual desktops, facilitating multitasking and organization. By mastering these keyboard shortcuts, users can significantly improve their workflow and overall user experience on Windows 11.